Warship 59, this is Tidewalker 16.
And let some more line out, try to get past this weird kelp stuff.
U.S. Warship 59 in San Diego Harbor, this is Tidewalker on 16, over.
All stations, all stations, all stations. This is United States Coast Guard Sector San Diego. United States Coast Guard Sector San Diego. United States Coast Guard Sector San Diego. For a regularly scheduled marine information broadcast.
Oh, yes, a great morning. We're going to go ahead and close this up. It's our training day. And if we do have another vessel coming out, we'll give you a call, but that's our intention.